In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the voice typing feature in Google Docs. This tool can be a game changer, whether you're aiming to save time typing or simply want to give your hands a rest. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, if you aren't already there, head over to docs.google.com. It's the main hub for creating and editing documents right within your browser. Next, you'll need to log in using your Google or Gmail account. If you don't have one yet, take a moment to create one. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're securely logged in, you have the choice to either open an existing file you want to work on or start fresh with a new document by selecting Blank Document. Whichever you choose, you'll find yourself within the familiar interface of Google Docs. Now that you're ready to harness the power of voice typing, look up at the menu bar and find the Tools tab. Clicking on Tools will reveal a drop-down menu, and among the options, you'll see Voice Typing. Go ahead and click it. Instantly, you'll notice a microphone icon pop up on the left side of your document. This icon is your gateway to start dictating your document instead of typing it all out. Before you begin speaking, you might want to ensure that you're dictating in your preferred language. There's a drop-down arrow next to the microphone icon that allows you to choose from a wide range of languages. It's a handy feature, so make sure it's set to the one you're comfortable with. To kick off the voice typing, simply click on the microphone icon that says "Click to speak." Now, depending on your browser settings, you might see a pop-up asking for permission to use your microphone. This is a security measure, and all you need to do is choose Allow while visiting the site or Allow this time. I've been here before, and I usually pick Allow while visiting the site, so I don't have to deal with the prompt every time I use voice typing. With that, you're all set up to start speaking. Begin talking naturally, and you'll see your words appear on the screen as if by magic. It's a fluid process, and the accuracy can be quite impressive. Plus, don't worry if you need to pause to gather your thoughts, just click the mic icon to pause and start again when you're ready. By following these steps, you can make your Google Docs experience more efficient and perhaps even more fun. So, go on, give it a try, and enjoy the ease of voice typing.